Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you what cables you need from Rode in order to use your Rode Wireless Go-To microphone with your Apple device. Let's get started. If your Apple device uses a lightning cable, which has an end that looks like this, then you need a USB-C to lightning cable. Now, there are three options available from Rode. Two of them are short cables, so the SC15 and the SC21 are short cables of about 30 centimeters in length, and the SC19 is a longer cable that is about 1.5 meters in length, which you can use for situations where your Apple iPhone or iPad that uses the lightning device is slightly further away from the microphone. Think of situations where you want to record a wider view and the microphone needs to be closer to the subject that you're recording, even though the phone may be further away. Okay, let's go into each of these. So let's go into the SC15, SC19, and SC21. So first to the SC15. The SC15, as you can see, is a 30 centimeter cable or 300 millimeter or 11.8 inch long cable. And it's high quality. It's also MFI certified, which means that it has Apple's stamp of approval. MFI basically stands for made for iPhone or iPad. Okay, and here are some other pictures of how the cable looks. Again, note that this particular cable is angled, so you may have situations where you want the USB-C device plugged in such a way that it's angled and it kind of helps with cable management and puts the cable out of the way so that you can focus on just recording. So that's what you can use here, and this is the lightning part that goes into your Apple iPhone or iPad. Here's an example of using this cable actually with another Rode microphone, which is the RØDE Video Mic NTG. Okay, so that's what that looks like. A cable of similar length is the SC21. Again, it's a 30 centimeter cable. The difference between this and the SC15 is that it doesn't have the angled end of that cable, but the use is the same. It's MFI certified, it's high quality, and it's 30 centimeters in length. And you can connect it to your Rode Wireless Go-To microphone or your RØDE Video Mic NTG microphone. Okay, and it simply comes just with the wire in the box. Next, we have the SC19. The SC19 cable is a lightning to USB-C cable as well. But the difference between this one and the previous ones is that this is 1.5 meters long, and it's particularly useful for situations where your iPad or iPhone that you're recording with is further away from the microphone. For example, when you want to record really clear audio close to the subject you're recording, but the camera on your iPhone or iPad needs to be further away. So this is a good use case for it. And again, similar to the other ones, it's high quality. The only difference is that this is 1.5 meters long, so about 5 feet long. Why would you choose to buy this cable? One of the reasons you might opt to use this cable as opposed to the cable that came with the Rode Wireless Go-To microphone is that that cable is a simple USB-A to USB-C, and that can't connect directly to your iPhone or iPad that uses the Apple Lightning cable. In order to use that cable, you would need to buy an additional adapter. And so if you wanted something that would make your workflow more straightforward and easier, it would be helpful to just buy one of these cables, which is a lightning cable to a USB-C cable. Do you use any of these cables? Let me know in the comments if you do, and if you find them useful or if you've actually used other alternatives. I'd like to know. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. Catch you in the next one.